Alright, first time. Weber Slate, never seen one of these before. So let's figure this thing out. Also, let's see how long it takes the first time. Looks like a base. Yep. Interesting. Definitely should open it from the bottom. I don't know what any of these parts are. It means I get to read instructions. It's like side shelves. Okay, you're a door. A back panel, just like a back panel. The other upright. That's really all I wanted. Okay. Okay, so you have those types of hinges. Great. So you'll bend. 9 minutes on unpacking. Interesting. Why do you have dots? So let's discard those. Okay. Okay, so those are shorter. I don't know why they would put these in here and then tell me to discard them. Yeah, you go in the middle. How are you guys different? So I want the ones with this guy. Alright, I see. Logically, this guy does the same thing. Ah, you have screws on the inside too, okay. Good to know. Leave those a little loose. It says to leave those loose too, so where this guy comes in, doesn't matter which way you go. I don't see any difference. It looks symmetrical. So you're marked. Looks like star towards the front. Okay, yeah. So the holes for the doors. tighten everything now. Oh my god, I'm not left-handed. Somebody once asked me if I was ambidextrous. The answer is no, but somebody else told me the answer is that you will be if you do this long enough. I have not been doing it long enough. Did I get everyone? Okay. Okay, so the tank goes on the outside, which means these guys face outwards also. Locks, no locks. It's the same brass lock rings as on the Genesis. I've had issues with these rings before. Some of them are a little looser. If you don't get them square in the hole, they'll bend out. Yeah, I guess they're all just loosey-goosey then. Set you down. I'll do the hanger. Normally I do all this stuff on the table, but normally I can reach it all pretty easily. But we have a second shelf in here, so you are the front, you are the front. And again, because it has those hinges, careful not to pull on the lid. Okay, you slide in, gotcha. I see. Screws from the inside also. You have a clip. Where's the clip? Did you come with a clip? Okay. There's a little, it's hollow back here, so behind it. That's why it's in that way. Maybe the clip's back here. I'll find a clip. No clip. Alright. Go ahead and do these inside bolts before I forget. Super awkward. From the outside then, or from the inside. So the whole panel is basically backwards. Because normally this bracket bolts onto the inside and the screw goes from the outside, but I guess we don't do that here right now. No idea where this clip is supposed to be. Again with the clip. Sir, I see no clip. Maybe the clip's in here. Pretty sure these are stainless screws. Which way do you mount? I'm gonna guess that way. Alright. Okay, so the handle. These are the brackets I'm supposed to toss, these are the ones I'm supposed to keep. So which side do you go on? You go on left side. So as I was kind of giving a heads up ahead of time, because we'd keep the ones with the dots. Okay. I see, they slide down over that. That makes it easy. And you guys go in from the outside. Okay. Don't drop down the grate. I have quite a few bits down there. Do you fold? You do. Okay. Fantastic. So I just got to push a little bit. Not perfect, not terrible. Those just sit on there. There we go. Where do these last 4 screws go? If there was 1, I wouldn't question it, but there's 4, so now I question it. Ah! Must have missed that part. Perfect-ish. 0 extra screws, which is good to know. Where do you go? You go right here. What crap? I like opening snack cakes. Why can't I do this? Are these knobs different? No. Well, no, they're not. I think that do be all. 40 minutes, not terrible for the first time. Alright. It's the Slate, which I hear is some kind of rock. Still never found that clip. So on the second one, I found the clip. It was already pre-attached to the upright, so either the first one was missing it or I knocked it off. I don't know, but watch out for it. Number 2. And just under 25. Not bad.